Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious ice cream cones right in your own kitchen. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need about 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, and a 1/4 cup of melted butter. Also, make sure your waffle cone maker or Petzl iron is ready to go. Preparing your workspace now will ensure a smooth process. Now, let's create the perfect batter for our cones. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, 1 cup of all-purpose flour and half a cup of granulated sugar. In a separate bowl, combine 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a 1/4 cup of melted unsalted butter. Gradually pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients, stirring until the batter is completely smooth and free of any lumps. This ensures a consistent texture. With our batter ready, it is time to bake. Preheat your waffle cone maker to a medium setting. Once hot, pour about 2 tablespoons of batter directly onto the center of the iron. Close the lid and cook for approximately 1 to 2 minutes, or until the cone achieves a beautiful golden brown color. Working quickly, remove the warm, pliable cone and immediately roll it around a cone shaper. This step is crucial for its classic shape. Finally, let's prepare our cones for enjoyment. After shaping, place each cone on a wire rack to cool completely. This crucial step allows them to crisp up beautifully, giving you that satisfying crunch with every bite. Once cooled, fill them with your favorite ice cream. If you have any leftover cones, store them in an airtight container at room temperature. They will stay fresh and delicious for up to 3 days, ready for your next scoop.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.